how to make Opera GX animated wallpaper. So let's get started.
Alright, so this is very simple. So what you would need to do is to click here on the easy setup icon on the top, right? And from here, you should see the wallpapers right here. As you can see, I have some animated wallpapers, like for example, this one right here. I could just go into a new tab. And as you can see, it is animated and so on. So basically how you do this is by clicking here on get more. And then you'll be prompted into the Opera GX store, wherein you would be able to get some cool mods, like for example this one right here, Minecraft. So in this one you can click here on install mod and it will now download, and you just have to wait for it to be downloaded and installed into your browser depending on your internet speed on how fast it would go. And basically, if it is done downloading, so let's say this is done because I have already downloaded some themes, then you can go back in here into your easy setup. And for example, this one right here, I'm going to click here on show all to see all of the available wallpapers that I have. So I have already installed this mod, which is this one right here. So as you can see, I have selected this wallpaper, and it is one of the choices in here because I have already installed the mod. Now, when I click here on a new tab, as you can see, it is now applied here on my browser with an animated wallpaper. And that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching.